second type of coordinate system is cylindrical coordinate system. Now, in Cartesian coordinate system, the differential lengths, okay, differential lengths in Cartesian coordinate system were dx, dy, and dz. In cylindrical coordinate system, the differential lengths will be d rho, rho d phi and dz. The differential lengths in Cartesian coordinate system for dx, dy and dz. In cylindrical coordinate system, they are d rho, rho d phi and dz. Some textbooks, instead of rho, they have taken it as r. But in spherical coordinate system also you will be having r. So to avoid confusion, I am taking rho. Okay. Now let's talk about the cylindrical coordinate system. So obviously everyone has seen a cylindrical system. This is a cylindrical system, a cylindrical box. Okay. As you can see here, this particular portion is in the form of a circle. Okay. This is the height, and at different times from any particular point you have to take the angles. So now here in cylindrical coordinate system, we will be taking a z-axis. You know, in Cartesian coordinate system, as you had x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Similarly, in cylindrical coordinate system, you will be having a z-axis. This z-axis determines the height. As z-axis is, what exactly you have to do? You have to take a cylinder and you have to place inside, or the z-axis should pass in the middle. You know, if I take z-axis as a sharp sphere or a sharp line, it should pass through the center of the cylinder. So the cylinder exactly. Okay. Now, from that particular point, as you go further, the radius will increase. You know, this has a certain radius. It has a certain radius. Let's say the radius is 3 cm. So for 5 cm, you will be having this particular circle. So here one of the differential lengths will be d rho in the direction of the radius. So here rho will be taken as the radius. Rho will be taken as the radius. Rho will be taken as the radius. Next, what we have is that, so when you take the differential length across the radius, it becomes d rho. Next is dz. You know, understand, this much height, when you increase, when you take a differential length in the z direction, when you take, that time you will be taking it as dz. Next, the thing about the other one, you have to consider phi. You have to consider phi. That is, let's take this is y, this is z, and this is x. So, okay, you have to understand this x, and if you take any particular point over here, if I take any particular point over here, from the origin, I have to draw a straight line. Okay, let me draw a straight line. From x-axis to that particular line, what angle it makes, that's called as phi. That is called as phi degrees or phi radians will be taken. Okay, understand? 3 differential lengths. One is across the radius, the center of the radius. That is taken as d rho. Another is across across the z-axis. So as dz increases, the height of the particular cylinder increases. Next is the angle. The angle phi, that will be, if I take any particular point, anywhere when I take a point, any particular place when I take a point. So from the x-axis to that particular point, let's say the point is somewhere over here, From the x-axis, now what x-axis? From the origin, you have to draw a straight line to that particular point. So from the x-axis, take the angle. That angle is called as phi. And the differential will be rho d phi. So in Cartesian coordinate systems, the variables are x, y, z. Cartesian coordinate systems, the variables are x, y, z. In cylindrical coordinate system, the variables are rho, phi, and z. Here x, y, z will be in meters. Meters or centimeter, millimeter. We'll be converting them to meters. The SI unit will be taking. We'll be taking it as meters. For the cylindrical coordinate system, rho will be there in meters. Z will be there in meters. Phi will be there in radians or degrees. If the second coordinate, if it is not in meters, if it is in a particular angle, and the first two coordinates, first two variables are in meters, then it is cylindrical coordinate system. Answer: meter, 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 degree or radians, meter, meter, degree, meter. That's in the manner we have. So next, I will be telling you about the differential volume also.